Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Shib. And I know I don't usually take a look at meme coins, but I was requested to do so by a good follower of mine, Sean from the Telegram chat. So big shout out to Sean. He's a great, smart investor. So make sure to join into the chat to chat with us. And we really do help newcomers and solve each other's problems and share great projects. So our Telegram chat is something that you don't want to miss. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and you should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, with that being said, we are on the 4 hourly chart and let's just remove all the drawings for now. And I want to say that we are, as you can see, creating starting to go for that bullish cross with the 20 EMA, the yellow line crossing above the 200 line. That is called a bullish cross or a bull cross, whatever you want to call it, or a golden cross. So we have created a golden cross with the 55 EMA, and that was June 27th. And now we're going for that bullish cross with a 200 EMA, and as you can see, it's acting as great resistance because we're going through the EMA, but we can't really solidify above it, and we keep getting rejected. So it's a great resistance line. So look for the 200 EMA for a great rejection if we do get there one more time, and look for the 55 EMA to get into Shib if you would like to do that. But I'm not involved with this project. I don't get involved with meme coins, and I know they're starting their exchange or whatever. I'm not sure. I apologize. I do not really follow Shib news, but if you do, then do let me know in the comments if you're involved in and why are you involved in. And yeah, so a lot of people did lose money on this, and a lot of people did make a lot of money on this project. And the developers did send a bunch of tokens to Vitalik Buterin, and that's not something that I really like. That move is kind of dumb, but we're not here to talk about that. Yeah, let's jump into the RSI. As you can see, we are adhering to this trend line over here. There we go. Yep, ascending trend line. So what might happen is if we do get rejected off the 200 EMA, we might come back down here and then start another move to the upside. So that's one thing you can look for, and this would be the neckline. If we don't want to lose that, because this is a double top, which is a bearish pattern, and if we lose that, we're coming back down. And I'm going to give you some buy-in orders for Shib, but right now it looks very good. We do have a bullish pattern and we do have a bearish pattern right now. So yeah, if you want to get involved in Shib, then if we do break down and Bitcoin capitulates once again, then this price at 0.123450628 is a great place to put some money in, because if we do end up going down, then that is a strong resistance line over here. Or if we even drop lower, then obviously you may as well put some bits into there as well. But I do want to say that we created this double bottom over here, and which is a bullish pattern, and that is why we started moving up. And let's jump into the daily chart right now. I'm going to keep this very brief, very short, because there really isn't a lot to talk about. With coins like these, technical analysis doesn't hold up so strong compared to other projects, because with any bullish news, with any hype, the price can get overextended, and we're not really that's why I'm not involved with these coins. It's a lot like gambling in my opinion, and I'm here for the technology. I'm here for the long term, and I'm here to stick with the solid projects. That's just my opinion. And if you are involved in Dogecoin or Shib, then great for you, good. I just don't have the spare money to gamble like that. Not that I like gambling at all, but besides the point, let's jump into the pattern. So we do have a rectangle pattern playing out, and they usually form after a downtrend. And when they form after a downtrend, that signals that we might break down from this. So we come back down and we move sideways, and we either get a break to the upside or to the downside, but a move is coming But if, like I said, if that happens after a downtrend, it's confluenced in the fact that we're going to go down further, but there is no data over here. We don't have data on Binance. The price was never lower than we are over here right now, so I can't really say where we can go. Obviously, I just gave you the 0.50628 price. If that ends up happening, then yeah, that's a great place to buy. But if we do get rejected off this resistance line at 0.50981, then you probably are going to come back down, either retest the 20 EMA or come back down to this support level. And we do have the 20 EMA up over here on the daily chart. I'm just going to try to zoom in a bit. And let's measure the breakout out of this rectangle. If we do break to the upside, basically from the resistance to the support, two horizontal lines, and if we take those together, as you can see, actually I do apologize, I did measure it the wrong way. So this is the resistance to the support, and this is our breakout target over here, and that would be 0.40134. That is the price that we're looking for if we do break out. If we do break down, like I said, there is no data, so let's just anticipate and see what happens. And basically, how did I know that this is a rectangle? It was formed after a downtrend, and it had one touch to the support, one touch to the resistance, didn't quite get to the support, again touch the resistance, back to the support, touch the resistance, back to the support, touch the resistance, and now we're just winding up over here and we're getting forced into a move. Now, why is this not a double bottom or a triple bottom or a double top? Because we have multiple touches off this support, not just one or two touches. And the same thing goes for the resistance. We touch it once, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So that's why it's not a triple bottom or a triple top, whatever. And the ascending triangle pattern that we have over here, basically you take the resistance line, which is over here, back to the very bottom of the triangle, and you measure the breakout, and that breakout would be at 0.401227. So make sure to have that as some sell orders perhaps. And we do have the 55 EMA over here on the daily chart. That would be 0.401000. So yeah, keep that in mind. And yeah, let's see what happens. We're being forced into a move right now. If we take a look at the RSI, then we are a bit overextended on the I do apologize, the MACD, but we want to get above the histogram, and we'll see what happens. Maybe we get some hype news and Shib basically explodes. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. We do have these two targets basically, and keep that in mind. Let me know if you're involved with Shib, and let me know if there are any other projects that you would like me to take a look at. And I do want to thank you for all the support and all the likes and all the comments, guys. It really does help the channel out. Feel free to support the channel by the wallet ID link linked in the description. Don't feel like you have to, but it would be great if you could. Thank you all for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.